What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon, crypto universe. Today is Friday, December 15th. Now, this is my second video today regarding the BONK token. Why? It's because I've been getting a lot of messages around, oh my gosh, the BONK token is taking a dip. What do we do? So I want to share with you my perspective, because the reason you subscribe to this channel, you want to know exactly on a daily basis on the most up-to-date news regarding what the price volatility of BONK is going to be headed towards. So let's go ahead and talk about the BONK token in this video. And as always, you have to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page. And most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I will never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email. So please be careful and invest safely. So guys and girls, let's not waste any time. Let's talk about BONK. Now, BONK apparently is only up 5% over the past day. Over the past 7 days, believe it or not, it's been up 88% over the past 7 days. So I mentioned in many of my previous videos that we have to expect a retracement at some certain point with this token, because we've seen such a bull rally with this token over the past 7 days, over the past month, over the past year. It's been on a bullish trend and we needed to see some retracements. So luckily we did see that today. We went as high as 0.000034 and now back down to around 0.000024. So let's go and talk about it, because again, people are seeing this in the chart, which is kind of panicky, right? But the reason why this chart is very important is because we have to look at where this BONK token is headed, because you're seeing these green candlesticks at the moment right now, but it's well above the EMA ribbon. And again, it's still in a bullish trend, considering that we are now forming higher lows. We have one right here, and now one right here. We have higher lows. This is what we want to see. Now, moving on, we also have some recent news, because now the BONK token is getting a lot of spotlight within mainstream media. So now Bloomberg is talking about that this dog-themed meme coin BONK rides high on Solana's blockchain's comeback after and post the FTX scandal. Now, why is that important? It's because it's important to catch the media's attention. We saw this happen with Shiba Inu, and we also saw this happen with Dogecoin. And also, just recently, Crypto.com has listed the token on their exchange. You can swap it out with different fiat currencies, apparently up to 20 or more, but also with Solana you can swap it out for. And in other news, what other exchanges are listed? Because again, there are exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and also Crypto.com that have listed the coin for trading, but there are all these other different central exchanges that have not been listing the token. Now, what has listed the token so far? KuCoin, Coinbase, Binance, and also Radium, Gate.io, and many more, but not every single one of them. But the most important thing is that we're seeing the biggest dogs, which is Binance and Coinbase, list this token. Now, recently, there was a trailer that was released by BONK Inu, which is the official Twitter page of the token. And what are they talking about in a specific post? Well, there's going to be 12 days of Bonkness. Make sure to join their Twitter page if you haven't, because there is a link that will take you to. You basically would connect your Twitter page, and you can actually participate if you're going to be on the BONK nice list. So basically, if you achieve any of these different categories, you will be airdropped BONK tokens. Again, I'm not attended this, I'm not participating in this, but this is something I just want to share with everybody in case you do want to participate in this and get free BONK tokens airdropped to you. Again, there are probably a lot more descriptions in this, but make sure to check out the BONK Inu Twitter page. But something I want to share with you that is very bullish. Are we experiencing a massive dip? Is this the time where now apparently BONK is crashing? Let me share with you some perspective, because this may give you some peace of mind. Now, one of our DGOT holders, if you don't know what DGOT is, it's an NFT collection on Ethereum. One of the DGOT holders ended up sharing this, that he's literally in the $500,000 profit section. So what is this all about? Because he has $519,000 US in his bank, and all that is around his BONK tokens. Roughly has 22 billion BONK tokens. It's because he bought the dip. So did I. So when we bought the dip, he roughly invested around $7,000 US when it was at an all-time low, probably around 0.00000009 cents at that time. So that's when we invested also on our channel and also in our Patreon page. If you haven't joined that, click on the link below. But why is this really important? It's because in this image, you can see here that Shiba Inu, which is the market cap that we're trying to flip right now, Shiba Inu right now is around $5 billion. Right now at the very moment. its all-time high market cap was right around here. So if you just look at where we are at with the BONK Inu token, we have so much upside to reach up to that point if we are going to reach new all-time highs. But again, we're looking at the $10 billion market cap, right? Because again, if you cut it in half, which is the $5 billion market cap, this is where the mark is right here that we want to hit for Shiba Inu. So just to kind of share with you what's going on with the BONK token, Hachi and myself, we bought at a market cap roughly around 9 to 10 million US dollars at this market cap for BONK. Now the BONK token is roughly around $1.3 billion. So he turned 7,000 into half a million. So what if the BONK token continues to go into 2 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion? So basically every billion that happens for the BONK token to reach, that means your investment will not just turn into 7K into half a million, but who knows? It will be substantial. Does that make any sense? So basically what I'm trying to say is if you just spend a little bit of funds right now, then who knows? Maybe you'll do really well if the BONK token continues to go an every billion achievement, if that makes any sense. So if you're wondering if the BONK token right now is crashing, well, let's look at other meme tokens, okay? Let's look at the most top dogs, which is AKA Shiba Inu. So right now, if you look at this, so this is basically where Shiba Inu was, right? So basically at this point, this could be where the BONK token is at. So we're seeing here that it reached around 27, and then it even dipped down as low as to 25 and pumped right after that all the way up here to 67, right? So then this is like the all-time high charts. This is what we're looking at. So right now we could be experiencing a big dip right here, which could be a fake out by the big whale. Or maybe people are taking out their profits because they invested early. So keep in mind, this could be this little dip right here before the last big pump. And now let's look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin did the exact same thing where we went up pretty high, which check this out. It was around 0.07 cents, and guess what? It dipped all the way down to 0.056. That could scare a lot of people because literally it dipped 20 cents. And then shortly after, again, when I say shortly, it was about a couple months for this coin, it literally pumped massively up to almost 70 cents. How crazy is that? So again, you have to evaluate when you're looking at the BONK token taking a dip, is it taking a minor dip? Because again, if you look for the past 7 days, it's only taking a slight dip. But again, you have to do your own due diligence before investing this token. Just because I'm saying it's taking just a slight dip doesn't mean it's going to take more of a dip. We don't know what is going to happen, okay? Because this is a meme coin, okay? This is betting, this is not investing. This is a meme coin that I'm comparing to Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. And again, we're only at $1.4 billion. Could this do another billion and then another billion? Could it reach 5 billion and flip Shiba Inu? So you have to consider how much money you're going to invest in. Don't invest more than what you're willing to lose. And this is why I want to share with you, is the BONK token taking a crash? Well, guess what? We wanted to see this retracement. So if you want to understand this chart and our position and what we're doing with the BONK token, you have to click on the link below on our Patreon page because you'll get all the alpha on our trades. What are we doing? How are we positioning ourselves? How are we going to take profits? But until then, if you are wanting to stay up to date with everything on a timely basis within the BONK token, you need to subscribe to the channel. And most importantly, join the Patreon page to receive all of our alpha calls on our buy and sell orders of both NFTs, cryptocurrencies, especially with the meme coin BONK. Until then, I'll see you guys and girls next time.